Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to optimize GPU for gaming. So here I'm going to teach you how to optimize GPU for gaming. So in optimizing GPU for gaming, so I'm going to show you three ways to do that. So let's get started. So the first way to do this to optimize GPU for gaming is what do you call this? First thing is open your task manager. Type in task manager. Then here, choose a game that you want. Let's say, for example, Blue Stacks right here. Choose that. Right click on that, and then click on set priority and set the priority into high. Or you can set it above normal if you're running between two games that you want to run them on high performance right there. Just set them both on above normal. Or if you're just playing one game, set it to high. Set the priority to high. So that's the first way of doing that. The second way of doing that, you need to download NVIDIA. After downloading NVIDIA, click on NVIDIA Control Panel right here. Right click there and click NVIDIA Control Panel. Then there you go. NVIDIA Control Panel has now popped up. And now we need to go to Manage 3D Settings. So here at Manage 3D Settings, here are all the things that you can um, use or do or change, but we're gonna focus here on the power management mode. And here at the power management mode, we're gonna set it to prefer maximum performance. After clicking on prefer maximum performance, we will click on apply. But right now, I don't want it on that, so I'm just gonna keep it on normal mode right now. So I'm gonna cancel it. There you go. And the other way of doing this, the last and final way of what do you call this, increasing your performance, by going here and going to settings. And once here at your settings, click on system right here. As you can see right there, system. After clicking on system right there, you need to just go down till you see graphics settings. So after clicking on graphics settings, here you will see encounter hardware accelerator GPU right here, and just below that, this one right here. You need to turn that on. After turning it on, you'll need to restart your PC to have your change take effect. Restart your PC, just click on right here. Of course, you know how to restart your PC, then click on restart. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how you do it. Those are the three ways that you can do it. And a quick bonus tip for you guys, I suggest updating your system. If you don't know how to find your step here, update. Check for update, as you see right there. There you go. Once you're here, click on check for updates, and it will update it. After the update, it will require you to restart. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.